Hello there and welcome to my new YouTube channel. Now this is actually my second channel and it's going to be a place where I can share content with you that doesn't really fit on my main channel, which is Mad's Tech Tips and Tutorials. And it's going to be a place where I can quickly share with you guys repair videos, tutorials and things that I am doing on a daily basis without all of the editing, without having to connect it up to my computer. It's mostly going to be filmed handheld, either on my phone or on my camera, and I'm going to be using a lot of it by hand like I'm doing now. Now just to give you an idea of some of the content you're likely to find on this channel, it's going to be things like this. Things that I've been working on just tonight, which is the Link, testing that out, fixing that CCTV camera, which I did yesterday, and I'm going to upload a video of that very shortly on this channel. Things about drones, fixing things with glue guns, Raspberry Pi, setting it up with 3D printers like I've been doing tonight with a webcam and Astra print over my network, as well as doing things like my rover build and repairs and soldering and all of the stuff you see on the shelf up there as well. So if electronics, if repairing things is your thing, hopefully there will be some stuff on this channel you find useful. If you like what you see, please do hit that subscribe button. If you aren't a subscriber of my main channel, please do go check it out, which is Mad Tech Tips and Tutorials. Please have a look around and hopefully I will be sharing as much content as I possibly can very, very soon.